In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date and time on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our Pilot. It's located right here. So simply press it, and then to navigate this menu, you will need to press the arrow keys. They are located right here on your Pilot. Now let's move to the settings and press the right key. Find System and highlight it, then press OK. Now scroll down and find date and time. Press OK. And now in order to change the date, you'll need to press OK button, and you can write the specific date that you want to change. So for example, let's set it to 12 by pressing the number keys on your Pilot right here. So 12 and here 06, and here you can change it to 1997. Sorry. So like that, just write any numbers that you want, and then to confirm it, press OK again, and as you can see, the date just changed. And now in order to change the time, we'll need to move down and find time. Now press OK, and from here you can also change it the same way. Simply write on your numpad, so let's do it 12, 20. Press OK to confirm it, and the time has changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.